Today is Saturday, April 7th. The time is 7:54 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Crown Royale football break, break number 13. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcsportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Colt McCoy, Browns. Detroit Lions, Michael LaShore, patch, autograph. Serial numbered 8 out of 299 for the Lions. Packers, Living Legends, Sterling Sharp. Denver Broncos rookie, Julius Thomas. The Zone, Beersey Harvin, Vikings. Lions, Calvin Johnson. Crown Jewel rookies, Austin Pettis, Rams. All Pros jersey, 49ers, Patrick Willis, serial number 7 out of 299. Rookie Royalty, Ravens, Torrey Smith. Redskins rookie, Niles Paul. Packers, All Pros, Clay Matthews. Panthers, Jonathan Stewart. Jets, Mark Sanchez. Bills, rookie royalty jersey, Marcel Darius, serial numbered 120 out of 299 jersey. Ravens, Majestic, Joe Flacco. Chargers rookie, Marcus Gilchrist. Raiders, Royalty, George Blanda. Chargers, Mike Tolbert. And the last pack, Luke Stocker, Buccaneers, serial number 2 out of 25, a gold crown. We have Royalty, Raiders patch, Fred Bielnicknoff, serial number 5 out of 25. Colts, Peyton Manning, calling all captains. 49ers rookie, Ronald Johnson. Kings of the NFL, Broncos, Brandon Lloyd. And the last card, Miami Dolphins, Devon Bess. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks for 2011 football. I have Top Supreme, another Panini Crown Royale, Panini Limited, Panini Gold Standard, Topps Triple Threads, Topps Totally Certified, and Panini Prime Signatures. For 2010 football box breaks, I have Crown Royale. If anyone's interested in baseball, I have 2012 Topps Museum. For 2011-12 hockey breaks, I have Panini Crown Royale and Panini Limited.